one of the features that I want to show with Expo.new is that it now creates previews of all of the changes that you commit to GitHub. So if I'm inside my project here, I'm going to stop that local server briefly. I'm going to go ahead and make a new branch. So I'll check out a new branch called maybe livestream test-2. And then I'm just going to commit this as hello livestream. I'll push that up to my GitHub. And then I'll also do like a PR create. I think I can do GH, yeah, PR create --fill. So that is going to create a PR on my GitHub. All right, so if I actually go there, this is the change that I just made. I push that to GitHub. I can see now it says hello livestream here. Now you'll see a new check here that's running called EAS update. And this was set up by default when I did the onboarding flow. If I actually go to that page, I'll see that now Expo's running something for us. It's going to publish a preview update of the change I just pushed. And this preview update, we're going to be able to load inside of Expo Go or a development build. And like anybody on my team would be able to see this. In fact, you will also be able to see this soon. Since this update takes just a minute or two to run, I've actually done this beforehand. And let me drag over that screen really quick. So I've actually done it here just before the stream. And here is the completed check. So if I go and click on these details, I now have this page. So this is one I did. You can see all the logs here, and it went and published that update for me. Importantly, like I didn't have to set up any like YAML files or any configuration with the CI system. We were just able to kick this off. Also, now under my updates, I've got this preview update. And if I click here, there's going to be a QR code. And anybody can actually scan this. And this works in Expo Go because I don't have any native dependencies that are different from what Expo Go can support. So if you have Expo Go on your phone right now, you can actually scan this code from the live stream, and you will see that change I just made as a preview on your phone. I think that's pretty special and pretty cool, and is an automation that just makes it so much easier to like go through a stack of 10 PRs from your team as you all make changes.